up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puck. We bring you the good stuff. All right, here's another little treat that I'm gonna do here. I have cold water lobster tails with butter. There's 2 tails in each pack. All right, so let me get to unboxing these, and I'll be right back. All right, let's unbox these lobster tails here. All right, like I said, they're cold water lobster tails with butter, 2 tails. I got these from Walmart, all right, to give them a shot. They're small lobster tails, and not no great big lobster tails. All right, so without further ado, maybe I might need my scissors here. They're still frozen. All right, I do have to let them unthaw. All right, that's 1, 2. Let's see, I need to open it up. There we go. Get these babies out. Here goes one. And here's the other one. And this is the butter, salted butter that it comes with. Salted butter. I will be using this probably with some garlic also too. So basically what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to actually cut down the spine of the lobster and pull the meat out on top. All this will be cooked on the Blackstone griddle. All right, so when I start cooking these, I shall return. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to run some cold water, and I am going to add these lobster tails to this cold water. All right, to let them unthaw, so I can get them seasoned, and the shell, like I said, down the spine. Then I'm going to lift the meat, the flesh out, and set it on top. It makes it look nice for presentation. All right. So when these are thawed, I shall return. All right. Welcome back, everybody. All right. The lobster tails, it didn't take long to unthaw them in cold water. So the best way to do this, to bring the flesh outside of the tail, is you're going to cut down the spine right here, all the way to the tail. All right. Don't be scared. All right. Get your shears in there. There you go. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to hear some cracks. Okay. And now what you want to do, get your finger underneath it. Takes a little work to get the flesh to remove from the shell. There, you heard the crack? Okay. Just keep working it. Until you can get this flesh completely out. She will come. Just take your time. All right, now I'm not taking it all the way out. Okay, this is what I want. This is how it is. Okay, so I'll do another one to show you. Here's gonna be some good groceries, boy. Take another one. Cut it all the way down to the tail. Here's the tail. Actually, this shell is cracked already. It's just to separate. All right, so I do see something, the vein in here. We'll remove it. Go in with my finger again. it down so you get the finger in. Put that more vein right there. All right, I lost my light. Get the light back on. Sorry about that. Okay. Once again, get your finger down there. And release the flesh from the shell. And just bring it up. All right. And there we go. There we go. All right. All right, I'm going to finish up the other two, and I shall return. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season these lobster tails with the all-purpose seasoning from Blackstone. All right, this stuff is pretty good. So it's not much of seasoning in it. Oh yeah, baby. I can't wait to eat these. Oh. And you also get the underside also too. All right. Oh yeah. You can use any type of seasoning you like. All right. So, let's get that one back. There. More dusting, and voila. Lobster tails are seasoned. Now, only thing I would have to do now, I'm going to make me like a type of garlic butter with the seasoning itself. All right, so when I'm ready to cook this up, I shall return. All right, this is the garlic butter seasoning for the lobster tails. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Now, I mean, you can use as much garlic as you want. But, all right, so I'm going to use about maybe 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. All right. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and put it in the microwave and melt it down before we move on to the next step. All right, I melted the butter down, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this up pretty good. But I don't know where I got this device from. I don't know where it came from, but it's pretty cool. You'll see. It makes things so much easier mixing. Just makes things so much easier. But you know what would really work really nice with these lobster tails? Instead of you can buy it clarified butter. Clarified butter would work perfectly with this here because this butter has like water in it. All right, so it's going to settle up, and but if you can boil this, not boil it, bring it to a simmer, and you can see the separations of the butter and the water, and you can remove it and extract only the clarified butter. A little process. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to taste this now. That's good just like that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it up another notch. All right. Take it up another notch. And just keep adding until you like what you taste. All right. Let's see. I can go with a little bit more. Now this is all-purpose seasoning. It basically has a little cayenne, a little salt, a little pepper. Basically has a lot of everything in it. Garlic. It's all-purpose. And I'm going to cook this on the Blackstone griddle. I'm going to see how they're going to come out. And that's what I'm looking for. That flavor profile is excellent. All right. So I'm going to wrap this in cellophane and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna basically not freeze up, but it's going to go back to a butter consistency. But I can always put it on the griddle when I'm cooking it, cooking the lobsters. It will melt, and I can start using a brush and basting the lobster tails with it. So when that magic happens, I'll be back. Hey, welcome back. Right now, we're going to prepare the lobster tails. Okay, we're going to cook these lobster tails internally for 140 degrees Fahrenheit internally, between 130 and 140. Okay, 140, can't go wrong. They're done. All right, they already been seasoned. I seasoned them overnight. All right, so that's the best way to do it. Or you can do it in a couple hours. All right, and then I'm going to hit them with a sauce here. But I'm going to use my Synergy thermometer to keep an eye on the internal temperature of these lobster tails. All right, so let me get the lobster tails on. All right. Get them on. All right. This one here. All right. So what we're also going to do, get rid of the remaining sauce. That'll go in. Okay, now I'm going to insert the probe into the meat itself. And we're looking good. All right. So, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit it with some sauce here. All right. Looking good. All right, so we'll be doing periodically check. That's my man Alex. You know, they want to come out, but I'll let them out in a few seconds. All right. And that'll be all for that. And so let these do its magic, and we'll be right back. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit it. Well, I already hit it the second time. This is going to be the third time. All right, the temperature now is 115 degrees. We have to reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees. All right, this is just a sneak peek. You know, I don't know why I like doing the tails. They look so pretty. All right, so I'll be back when the temperature reaches 140 degrees. All right, these lobster tails are done now. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I am going to hit them with a little bit more sauce. A little bit more sauce. All right. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sear them off. Just slightly. Just sear them off slightly. Give them some color on the top there. Looking good, looking good. Not trying to cook them. I'm just giving them color. Nice color. Even though they got a nice color already. And that is all she takes with searing lobster tails off. All right. So let me get these. I'm going to remove them from here. Matter of fact, and I'm going to take them inside. And I'll meet y'all guys inside. Hey, what's up, everybody? All right. Right now, we have the lobster tail. Beautiful lobster tail. All right. These lobster tails are actually purchased from Walmart. All right. They're not big at all. They're not big. Excuse me. They're not. Excuse me. They're not big, but we're going to get into this good grocery and see how they taste. So let's get to eating here. I'm just going to get in here, break my shell. There's still a little meat down in that tail there. All right. Yes, they are done. Everybody, sorry for talking with my mouth full. Oh, this is so good. Oh, God, this is good. Well, once again, like I said, you don't have to use a smoker on these, but it just gives it it enhances your flavor, your profile. But either way, with the butter sauce that I put on, you can have butter afterwards if you want butter. But I choose to eat it like this because I don't need anything to eat it with because it's that good. So without further ado, guys, please give me thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe, tell your family members so I can, continue to make these videos. And y'all guys have a wonderful evening and happy Labor Day.